In this video, I will show you the exact steps required to open a formal technical ticket with the platform agents over at Typeform. Navigating through support systems can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming, but if you follow this specific path, you can ensure your request reaches the right engineering team quickly. To get started, log into your account and look for the Help button located right in your workspace dashboard. It is represented by a small question mark icon, and clicking it will open up the initial support menu. Once that menu appears, you might see several suggested self-help articles or common questions. Instead of getting stuck there, simply scroll past those suggestions until you find the option to contact support or get in touch. Clicking this will launch the official support chat window, where you can communicate your needs directly. Now, this next part is very important. To bypass the basic troubleshooting frequently asked questions and automated suggestions, you should type a very direct phrase. Use something specific like open a technical support ticket or speak to an agent. This tells the system that you need human intervention rather than automated articles. After you send that message, the system will ask you to categorize your issue. This is a critical step for routing your request correctly. You should select Technical Issue, Integrations, and Webhooks, or API and Developer Support. Choosing one of these specific categories ensures that your ticket is sent straight to an engineering-level agent rather than general billing or account support. By following these precise steps, you can save a lot of time and get your technical problems resolved by experts who understand the deeper mechanics of the platform. It really is that simple once you know which buttons to press and what phrases to use when interacting with the system interface today.